let's discuss an example which is already in your exam, that is NTSE stage 1 2019 to 2020. Okay, last year question, very important. See how inequality is very important for NTSE exam. Okay, you follow your previous questions and find which types of math questions are available in these previous papers, right? So this is one of the question. Which of the following will be true if the expression r greater than o equals to a greater than s less than t is definitely true? Okay, and this is a question and followed by some what options are given to us: a, b, c and d, right? Suppose a is greater than r, s is less than r, o greater than equals to t, a greater than t. Okay, so this question completely depends on the fundamental concept of inequality, that is path complete case or path incomplete case. Now check a to r. A is here, R is here. Path completed or not? Yes, path completed. So what is the result? What is the relation between A to R? That means R is greater than A. That implies that A is less than R. Okay. So this is wrong. Then S to R. R is here, S is here. So check the path. Path is completed. Then R is greater than S. That implies that S is less than R. This one is correct. And number C bit, that means O to T, O to T, O to T path is incompleted. So whatever may be given, this is false. A to T path is incompleted, false, because it is not a definitely true. Maybe true, maybe false. Okay, so hence we assume this is what? False. So this is false. So definitely true. That means 100% true. Which one? B bit is 100% true. Okay. So this is one of the question in NTSE stage 1 paper 2019 to 2020. Last year question. Okay. So if you build your concept properly, so easily you can solve any question. This question is not a very difficult question. This is depending upon the what? Path complete case, path incomplete case. You know that when once the path is completed, so there is a particular relation between first and last element. When the path is not completed, so whatever may be given under the conclusion, all conclusions are false, but not definitely false, right? Probability type of a true. So hence we consider when you feel any confusion under the conclusion, so you put the cross mark, right? So question clearly given that definitely true, definitely true. That means 100% true. So S to R, check S to R, R is greater than S. That implies that S is less than R, which is 100% true, right? So this is your answer. In this case, there is no either or, neither nor, etc. You just mark, tick mark, put tick mark. Which one is correct? That is definitely correct. Right? Obviously, your answer is what? This one. B. B is the correct answer. S is less than R. Right?